Hi, I am Irina Webster, a medical doctor and the author of the books How to Heal Using Intuitive Healing and The Secret Energy of Your Body. Since the early 90s, when I was a junior doctor, I had a great interest in immunology. And I even did my post-graduation studies in this field, acquiring a qualification of children immunologist and allergist from the Medical University of St. Petersburg in Russia. During this time, I learned about psychoneuroimmunology. Psycho means psyche, neuro is for nervous system, and immunology is for immune system. This study shows how emotions affect organs and body system. It is also the science behind the mind-body-spirit connection and the science behind cellular memories. Cellular memories are the memories stored in the cells of your body, organs, muscles, and bones. These memories are collected from all your experiences: birth, childhood, adolescence, relationships, from the time you were born and even beyond that. Your ancestral memories is in your cells. You carry all your ancestors with you. And the physical proof of cellular memories can be organ transplant patients. Patients who received organ transplants, for example kidneys, they often realize that after the operation they got memories of the events they have never experienced in their life. But the donor who gave them the kidneys did. Cellular memories are the key to your health, happiness, and wellness, and longevity also. If you have good cellular memories, you are healthy and happy. If you have traumatic cellular memories, you are unwell. Let me give you a few examples from my book, the book How to Heal Using Intuitive Healing, about cellular memories. Some cellular memories become generational traumas and passed on throughout all generations. Like some Australians, for example, have cellular memories of convicts. These memories stop them from moving forward in life. Many times when working with people, I saw an image of a chain around their feet, a symbol of imprisonment that comes from the past life of convicts. Because Australia was like a prison in the past. On all occasions, these people had problems with moving forward, starting fresh and moving forward. Another example of cultural trauma. What about the country where I come from and where I was born, Russia? I noticed that many Russians of my age have cellular memories of wars. Although they were born in the 70s, a long time after the Second World War finished, their psyche is affected by the war experiences. These cellular memories negatively affect their health and their relationships. Many times when talking to Russian women of my age, I saw an image of a grieving widow. On physical level, they had living husbands, but their relationship problems were connected to grief, loss, sadness, guilt, and shame, as if they were widows, but they were not. Their health problems reflect their emotions in most cases. When talking to Russian men of my age, I often noticed an image of a wounded soldier who witnessed killing and himself also participating in killing, totally unintentionally, just because of their unconscious mind works this way, and they have cellular memories of war. But on physical level, they did not experience a war. They are too young. But their emotional problems were connected to the traumas as if they were wounded warriors. So how to heal all these traumas? Because many people have these cellular memory problems. It is all possible to heal, and intuitive healing can help you. It's not just can. I think intuitive healing is the only way to heal these problems like cellular memories. And in my book, How to Heal Using Intuitive Healing, I describe many ways how to excavate cellular memories and release them from your body. These cellular memories are kept in your cells, and you can access these memories using energy healing technique. You can use healing techniques to access your subtle body energy, to access your energetic centers, called chakras, and you can work with aura. So there are many techniques, and I described all these techniques in my book, How to Heal Using Intuitive Healing.